Alright, so we got a 2007 F250. We just installed air horns on. I'll show you how we did it. Got your standard air tank. Got a gauge so we know what's in there. Your valve, your outlet. Got an electrical solenoid type valve. So we ran it to our auxiliary switches in the truck. Upfitter switches. I'll take you and show you them. Anyways, lines ran to the air horns underneath. I'll show you real quick. I got one of these on each side. We got two here, and there's two on the other side. You can see them over there. One facing backwards, one facing forwards. So, anyways, wires ran up. Auxiliary hot lines are just above your fuse box in here. Ground it, and then hook to whichever auxiliary upfitter you want to use. Key has to be on for your auxiliary switches to work. And I hooked this one up to 1, so that'll be powered on. That's how you make some noise.